Hi everyone, and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass Algebra 2 trig. Here's question 32. Graph y equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 on the set of axes below. So right away we could just plug this into our calculator. So if we go into y equals and then do x raised to the third power minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 7, and we go to graph. Notice we're going to get this nice picture here. So there's a couple of things we want to look at. So notice we want to find where the graph hits the x-axis, so the x-intercept. We want to find where the graph hits the y-axis, the y-intercept. And then notice we have a maximum and a minimum here too. So we want to find those also. And we could find this all by looking at the calculator. And a great way to start is also by just checking out the table and looking at the coordinates we have there. So there's some nice, easy coordinates we can make here. So we have, let's write those down. We have negative 1, 0. We have 0, 7, 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 4, and so yeah, this number negative 21, that's too high, that's not on this graph, this coordinate plane that they provided us, so we're just going to ignore that. And same with 15, so 4, 15, we're just going to ignore that. So for now, let's just graph these points. We have negative 1, 0, so notice that this is also the x-intercept, so we could fill this in negative 1, 0, 0, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the y-intercept. Now we have 1, 6, 2, 3, and 3, 4. So this looks crazy, right? Let's look at our graph again for some guidance. So now let's find the max and min points on this. So to do that on our calculator, we're just going to go second, calc, and let's go to maximum first. And we're going to press enter on the left, go to the right, press enter again, and then it's going to give us this value here, 0.2, let's just round to the nearest hundredth, 0.28, comma 7.27. Okay, so we could put that on our graph. So even though it's decimals, we can estimate, so it's going to be like over here and then a little bit up here. So that's the highest point. And now let's find our minimum, second calc, go to minimum, press enter on the left, move it over, press enter again and again, and then the minimum is 2.4, comma 2.6. Okay, so we're just using our, don't worry too much about the decimals, we're just using them as an estimate. So we go on our graph and we have 2.4, so here's 2.4, comma 2.6. So something like that. So now we can just kind of lightly sketch our graph. So this kind of looks like that. And that's our answer. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!